If you need to turn off two-factor authentication for your iCloud account, follow these steps carefully. Note that this feature is designed to enhance your account security, so consider the implications before disabling it. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Ensure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. This is where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option that says two-factor authentication. If it is currently enabled, you should see an option to turn it off. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Answer security questions. You may be prompted to answer your security questions to verify your identity. Provide the correct answers to continue with the process. Step 5. Confirm changes. After successfully answering your security questions, confirm that you want to disable two-factor authentication. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been turned off. Remember to review your account security settings regularly. Disabling two-factor authentication may make your account more vulnerable, so ensure you have other security measures in place.